Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today we are in my kitchen, and what you see in front of me is an electric stove. I believe this thing is from the 60s or 70s. I cannot even find parts for it anymore. It is a General Electric, and I want to show you where my oven is at. Look where my oven is at. They don't even make it like this anymore. I also have to work on that. But today we're going to be working on my electric stove right here. Let me just show you how the setting is. Look how the setting is. This thing is like from back in the days, but I really like the way it is. So today all I'm going to do is just replace the drip bowl or the drip pans and the trims. Now, in this stove right here is a little different than the standard one. When you're gonna replace the drip bowls, all the drip pans, and the drip rings. Now, the standard one has this one here. It has the hole here, but it does not have a gap right here. This is the standard one. Can you see? Right? Now, the one for this stove needs it like this. It has the drip pan, you see it? Notice the difference? It has a gap there. That one doesn't have a gap. And it also has the trims. So we're gonna do today, we're gonna replace them, because I didn't see nobody in YouTube replacing those right there. So I'm gonna do a video, and hopefully this will help you out. So let me set up, and I'll be back. In case you're looking for this right here, this one is a quality 8-piece set, and I believe that's the model number right there, D-901. And this just caught my attention here. It says save over $50 per year in a utility cost by regularly replacing drip pans with range gland. I don't know what that means, but I don't know how you're gonna save 50 bucks by regularly changing it, but I guess that's what they claim. But anyway, this is it in case you're looking for it. So let's start replacing these things. Now, in the standard ones, what you have to do, you have to lift this up and push it in. You push it in, and this element right here comes out. On this one, you're gonna have to unscrew it, but we're not gonna be doing that. So all you have to do is, you're gonna take the top thing, right, first, and you're gonna bring it up. Right? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the drip pan. Now that we took the trim off, we take the drip pan just out. This is the chance for you to clean up right inside if you have to. I'll clean it up after I do this video. And this right here, I'll clean it up. But if anybody knows the easiest way to clean this, let me know. So now we're gonna install. So the first thing you have to install is the drip pan. So you have the element, the electrical wire harness here. So what you want to do is just take this gap, the gap right here, and it's gonna go in right in between. You see how it fits? Then you take the trim and you go over it. And once you go over it, you put it nice and neat. And there it goes. And look. Bam! Look at how beautiful it's looking. Now let's do the little one. With the little one, it's the same exact thing. Pick it up. Take the trim out. Take the drip bowl. All the drip pan out. Put the drip pan in first. Remember, the elements right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, the middle, and put it right in. Then you're gonna take the trim and go over it. Make sure it's nice and neat, right in there. Now, I'm gonna do one more, and then you could do the other one, and I'll be back. So let's do this one, so you can see what I'm doing. Same thing, up. This one doesn't hold up, so you're gonna have to hold it. Drip pan the trim off first, the pan. I'm gonna put the pan in between. So I'm just right in there also. You gotta make sure that these things go over the element right here. And you see how nice and clean it's looking? I'm gonna show you how rusty these was right here. See that? So now you have nice clean ones and new ones. So I know you can do the rest by yourself, but I just wanted to show you how to replace and change this drip pan and trim in your 1960 or 1970 electric stove. So once again, this is NarMechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on narmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is narmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if NarMechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.